Hey guys, it's Key and the Key Life Trading. Echo Futures, thanks for tuning to another video. Yeah, we're about to get active. Let's go. But anyway, we got like 3 stocks probably on watch, but I'm mostly concerned about DARE. Right? So let's tap in. Market open. Let's see if we can get some type of move. I'll probably see if we could get. I do want to short this. Let's see how it reacts to these levels. I'll short at 50. Close the order for now. It is short still restricted, so I have to be a little bit careful. I did have an entry ready for 848, but I canceled it. That would have been a great entry for that one, but it's fine. We'll just wait for another one. Let's see. So I took an entry. Averages, I don't even know, 8. Average is 8. Okay, so I'm gonna close that, take that little profit. I got my order ready again. Took another entry. Average is 22. Then we get a continuation. And I'll take that. Oh, snap. Okay, I took that. Kind of messed up on the exit. Scaling in and out. So we got some momentum. Made my daily goal. I do want to short. So I'm just waiting for a better opportunity. Just seeing how it reacts to these levels. I want to see if I can get in at like 48. They probably won't allow me. Okay, SONN is moving, but not really focusing on that right now. Okay, so I'm gonna look for another short position around probably 812, 812-ish. It seems like I'm not gonna get my shorts reach to the same around the area I'm looking for, but I'll probably try to get an entry over a 7. Quick scalp. Okay, so I got in 500 shares, average is 96. The big seller at 96. Stop will be 86. Okay, so I took that loss. Took another entry. Average is 82. And we get a squeeze. Average 82. Nice trade. And I'll take that. I was looking for that first entry like that. Well, the reaction, the follow through. Let me see if I could probably get a short position. below 7. I don't know if I'll be able to get 7. Nope. But let's see. Okay, so I got filled. Average is 7. We have some buyers. Average is 7. Let's see if we can get a follow through to the downside. Look like we're building some support at 7. There's some support being built at 7. Can we break through? And on the trigger to close the position. All right, it's taking too long. I'm looking for that quick follow through. Break even trade. Whatever. Check out SONN. Oh, it's halted. Missed my entry, guys. I was trying to figure out what price VWAP is. Let's see, do we get a pullback? Does it hold? Alright, so I'm gonna skip this one. Don't really like the price action at all. Gotta take an entry. Nice. Can we get a follow through? Average is 66. Okay, so I'm gonna take that quick. I'm gonna take a swing at SQFT. I'm gonna go in with the smallest size possible, probably 100 shares. So I took an entry. Average is 13. 100 shares. Can we get a follow through? Nice. Can we get a follow through? Continuation. I'm gonna take half position, well 75%, and close out break even. Even is 13. And I'll leave the rest. I'll take another I'll take another one. It didn't get filled. And we hold up. Not getting filled. Okay, so I'm trying to close out. All right, so I'm gonna take that. Good. That was a nice trade. Good job. Nice risk management as well. 329 on the day. Actually, well, not on the day, but well for this stock. Okay, nice. Well, that's a little pullback. Let's see if we can hold. Can we hold on the pullback? Okay, nice little pop. Can we hold above? If anything, I'll probably try to get an entry at 13. The spread is so wide. Oh my gosh. So I took an entry. Can we get a continuation? I'll take half. Not getting filled. All right, I'll close the whole thing out. I'm killing. Momentum. I was trying to take off some position, but I didn't get filled. It was too quick. All right, so you know what? I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna take what I have and walk away with that. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Look at that, nice. All right, cool. Peace. Key Life Trading, Echo Feature. Like, subscribe, and follow the social media. Peace.